Bank of India is one of the largest bank in India. It has more than 4,300 branches across the length and breadth of the country, and it has 54 branches in foreign countries. We have recently completed 108 years of banking in India. We do all type of banking transactions in India. We extend all type of services: export, import, project finance, SME, agriculture, retail, everything we do. This time, slightly away and looking at the present economic condition, we have focused SME, agriculture and retail. In fact, today we would like to see that our retail sector should increase its share, and it should be its percentage wise grow in comparison to our competitors. Presently we are growing at the rate of 23%. In fact, we have set a very challenging target in front of us in this year of around 35%. We are hopeful we are going to do that. As I understand, there is a lot of potentialities in India for retail assets. When I analyze our retail, we found that home loan is a sector which is really driving this segment. And India, as everybody knows, is a country of millions of middle class, and this is a dream of any middle class to own a house. There was a time when only tier 1 cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Ahmedabad were offering opportunity. Today, even tier 2 and tier 3 cities have a lot of potentialities. So now, apart from looking at the tier 1 cities, we are also focusing to smaller cities and smaller towns to increase our share. We understand education loan is very important, because education for our children is a national priority for Bank of India. So we always ensure that the needy and meritorious students should get financial assistance from Bank of India. We are always coming with good schemes. Even we have a scheme where those who are meritorious students and studying in IIT, AIMS, NIT, etc., we do not ask for any security. So this is education loan to the needy and meritorious has been a priority for Bank of India, and we will continue to provide the support to them. We are coming out with also some new products, like we are coming with our home loan equity scheme, where any borrower who has already taken a home loan but has repaid nicely, regularly for 3 years, we can extend some additional finance to him without asking for additional securities. And now this festive season is coming, so we will be also offering some facilities, some concessions. That is what we are working nowadays. We hope with all this, our retail asset sector will grow. As of today, we are doing fairly well, but we would like to take it to the next level. You see, presently Bank of India's home loan portfolio is around 11,500 crores, and we would like to take it to cross 15,000 crores by end of this year. Yeah, that is the target this year, 15,000 crores, to cross 15,000 crores. We have already done 11,500 crores, and we are registering a growth of about 23% at the moment. Coming to retail sector, our target is to cross the 30,000 crores. Because in retail, we have education loan, we have auto loan, we have a loan against property. So take together, we are looking for crossing 30,000 crores, and at the moment we are around 23,000 crores, and we are confident and optimistic of crossing this. And so far Hyderabad is concerned, we have a lot of expectations from here, because this is the city, I think it is on the verge of growing, and there is a lot of opportunities, and it's waiting in this city to happen.